In this video, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin and the price that it has seen today. It actually did manage to reach $30,000. So a lot of people are very excited and they're quite bullish with Bitcoin reaching that 32,000 mark. But I wanted to share my opinion as to why we should be a bit cautious about predicting Bitcoin to going back to those levels in such a short amount of time. Now, as you can see, this article here says that Bitcoin could rise to between 42k and 56k if the BlackRock ETF is approved, which everyone has been talking about for a while now, and the prediction is based on potential inflows of as much as $24 billion. Now, in my opinion, I think that $42,000 is pretty high, never mind the $56,000. However, they said that at the low end, $42,000 is a conservative estimate based on the assumption that 10 to 20% of gold ETF investors will take a stake in a spot Bitcoin ETF, which is what we're hoping for. And so now, if we actually have a look at the price for Bitcoin in general, it's come back down to $29,814. So it's just off by around about $200 from the 30,000 mark. However, the reason why I am a bit cautious on this one is because we haven't even seen the 30,000 support level first. On the 7-day chart, we have actually gone up by 10.82%, and I am actually expecting that we're going to be seeing a pullback, if anything. Now, if we have a look at the 24-hour volume, we're down by 54.25%. We're trading at 10.58 billion. And so the volume for Bitcoin has actually decreased by more than half in general. Obviously, with Bitcoin rallying in the past week has caused the other coins to also increase, like Ethereum, Tether, BNB and XRP, especially with their lawsuit in general. But I do think that there is some sort of market manipulation going on here, especially with such a low volume for Bitcoin in general. And we haven't even seen any sort of support trends for Bitcoin in order to determine that $30,000 level, and especially if it would even hit the 42k level, which I think is a bit more of a higher estimate and not necessarily that conservative. Put down in the comment section below if you think that Bitcoin is going to take off and hit over 40,000, or if you think that Bitcoin is going to stay at around about this price but potentially pull back.